Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add products on Algo X Market as a seller. So, let's get started. Once you become a seller and complete the seller verification process, you will be able to add products. But, before adding your program, you need to add the license verification code into your program and need to create a demo file by adding demo code into your program. This is necessary for paid programs. In case your program is free, then you can skip the license code and demo code addition step and add your free program on the marketplace. But in case your program is paid, then you need to add the license code and create the demo file by adding the demo code into your program first. So, there has been a separate video for adding license code and demo code into your program. So, in this video I am gonna give you the example of both the free program as well as paid program. Let's start by adding a free program. As you can see, this is MT5 terminal, and let's suppose I want to add a free moving average expert advisor on the marketplace. Now, I will just simply go to my program's file location, copy and paste it to desktop. Process is exactly similar for MT4 terminals as well. So, as I have my free program file ready, let's go back to our website and add the free program. Go to Seller's Dashboard. After that, go to Products, Add New. Check Downloadable. Input the title of your program. As this is a free program, input price 0. Upload your program picture and gallery pictures from here. Select the categories correctly. Scroll down and you will see the rest of the options. First option is SEO option. You can input your product title here as well. It will help rank your product on search engines to get more audience. After SEO we have group option. So in case you have group on Algo X Market, you can paste your group link here. Then we have demo file upload option, but as this is a free program, we will skip this option. After that we have live signal option. In case you have live signal of your program, then you can check this box and paste your live signal link here. After that we have MT4 and MT5 link option. So in case you have both the versions, then you can paste MT4 link here and MT5 link here. After that we have select license type option, in which you can select for how long you want to provide the license, but as this is a free product, you can select unlimited. This option is to upload the set files. In case your program has set files, then you can attach it here. After that we have a unique option of trials. So in case any developer wants to provide the trials of their program, then through this option they can provide it easily. After that we have versions and activations option. In this option you will input the version number of your program along with the number of activations you want to provide with the program, but this activation option is only useful in case of paid programs, not free. And in the end we have YouTube video option. In case you have a YouTube video of your program, then you can paste the link of your YouTube video here. Once you complete all the options, scroll down and you will see the submit button. Click on it and your program will be submitted and will be published to the marketplace once approved by our support team. Now, let's start with adding a paid program. First step is to add the license validation code into our program. Let's do that. After adding the license validation code, go to your program's file location, copy and paste it to desktop. Now, second step is to create a demo file by adding the demo code into the program. Let's do it. Now, copy and paste the demo file created to the desktop. Now, in the last we need license validator file to be downloaded and pasted on the desktop as a third file. Let's do that. Now, after getting all of the 3 files we need for our paid program, let's go back to our website and start adding the program. So the initial process is exactly the same as free program. In the downloadable option, we will upload the license code file and license validator file. In the demo file download, we will upload the demo file. And in the activations, I will select the number of license activations I want to provide with my program, as this is not a free program but a paid one. So, in the end, click Submit for review. So, let me show you how your paid and free products will look after approval. Thanks for watching.